sklearn metrics completeness score. Description: the completeness score metric is used to evaluate the performance of clustering algorithms. It measures the extent to which all members of a given cluster in the ground truth are also part of a cluster in the predicted clusters. A completeness score of 1.0 indicates that all members of each ground truth cluster are also part of a predicted cluster. A score of 0.0 indicates that no members of any ground truth cluster are part of a predicted cluster. Inputs: labels true, the ground truth labels for the data. Label spread, the predicted labels from the clustering algorithm. Outputs: completeness score, a float value between 0 and 1.0, representing the completeness of the clustering. Steps: calculate the number of data points in each ground truth cluster. For each ground truth cluster, count the number of data points that are also assigned to the same predicted cluster. Divide the count from step 2 by the count from step 1 for each ground truth cluster. Calculate the average of the scores from step 3 across all ground truth clusters. Metrics: completeness score, a metric used to evaluate the performance of clustering algorithms. It measures the extent to which all members of a given cluster in the ground truth are also part of a cluster in the predicted clusters. Visualization plots: confusion matrix, a visualization that shows the distribution of the predicted labels compared to the ground truth labels. Dendrogram, a hierarchical representation of the clusters, showing how they are related to each other. Fine-tune parameters. NA. Uncertainty methods. NA. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1: the completeness score can be influenced by the number of clusters in the ground truth and the predicted clusters. If there are more clusters in the ground truth than in the predicted clusters, the completeness score will be lower, and vice versa. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 1: a clustering algorithm that predicts 5 clusters when the ground truth contains 10 clusters. Fixes to challenge 1: consider adjusting the number of clusters in the clustering algorithm to match the number of clusters in the ground truth. You could also explore alternative clustering algorithms that are more robust to the number of clusters. Challenge 2: the completeness score can be sensitive to noise in the data. If there is significant noise in the data, the completeness score will be lower. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 2: clustering data that contains outliers or mislabeled data points. Fixes to challenge 2: pre-process the data to remove noise, such as outliers or mislabeled data points. Consider using a clustering algorithm that is more robust to noise, such as k-means or DBSCAN.